So what's up, guys? Your guy Kenneth is your guy Dangry, whichever one it is. So today I'm not just really. This is what's the time? Today is Friday, 18 minutes past 9. I'm trying to speak slowly because you guys says that I'm getting a lot of complaint that I speak so fast and I talk a lot, which I don't really agree for. So today, this is not turning into a cooking channel, but recently I've been, getting flashback about my childhood, the kind of play that we used to play, the kind of food that I'm missing back home. So today I decided to. I have not tried making akara before. The name is Akara. So you can use it to eat bread and so many other things if you want, depending on your own choice. So today, normally how they used to do it, they will put it into water overnight, and in the morning, I will show you all how I'm doing it. So that is why I want to make this video tonight and then put the beans because sorry, the main ingredient is beans. So I'm going to try it and just show you guys put it inside water, then tomorrow morning or later morning then we can proceed with it. So let me just show you guys how we do it. So as you all can see, I am with this bowl. So this is where I will be putting the beans and putting it, mixing it with water. Tomorrow morning then the chaffs or the bark will be able to go away from the main beans. So let's go. So this is the beans, as you can see, and this is the bowl. So I'm gonna I guess this is enough for now, just for trying, and then I'm gonna cover it till. I said last night that we will leave the beans soaked with water overnight, and yeah, sorry, I just woke up now. So this is the beans, and we are going to peel the body. This, don't know what this is called, from the body, and after that we'll be able to grind it with this grinding machine, or what's it called. Then after that we'll try and see if we can be able to use it to make akara. This is not a cooking channel, but just a trying and kind of vlogging stuff. So let's get on with it. Okay, like I said before, now it's after 1 hour, 2 hours, 10 hours. I'm done trying to peel off the body of the beans, and this is the beans, and now we'll try to rinse it, separate the boys from the men. It's your guy, your beautiful chef, the best chef in Budapest. So like I said before, or some of you have complained that I speak so fast and I talk a lot. So I'm trying to be slow so that people will be able to understand. So like I said before, when I was peeling the beans, this is how it will look like. And this is the process it goes through. Like if you get through my intro, I said last night I put it here with water and left it overnight, and so that is the process. And normally in Nigeria, in Africa, the main ingredients are onions and pepper. You can use any pepper you want, if you want it to be pepperish or not. The egg is just for like add a nutrient to it, and it's not a compulsory. And the onion, whatever, I don't really know the name, it's also like just for fancy, but yeah, it has its own purpose, but it's not that important. And this one, we call it tatashi, so this one is more pepperish than that one. And yeah, in case you're wondering what this is what I'm going to use to scoop the beans, and then put it into the grinder, and then we'll be able to grind it with a bit of water. Then with the onions, pepper, Yeah, so that would be it. Let's try it. Okay, in case you are not a Nigerian or an African, like maybe you're Hungarian or European or American, wherever you are, if you are not from Africa, if you touch this particular one, make sure, if you are a guy, if you are a guy, make sure after touching this, don't use that hand to go to toilet, because you are going to, trust me, you are going to cry and you're going to regret it. The same with the ladies, so you have to wash your hands thoroughly before you make use of it. So that is a piece of an advice, and you will thank me for that later or after crying. So please. So now, normally, if you are starting this, like you saw, or whichever one, this is the how it came out. And before you start, you have to put your oil already. It should be heating up. If it depends on you, if you want medium or the highest distance, it depends on you. Then now, I'm going to chop this and add it to it and the egg, just to make it, taste a bit better. And note before, this is my first time trying it. Yeah, although I have the knowledge, but this is my first time, so I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I hope it will turn out great. So let's see. We are going to turn it to mix everything together. Normally in Nigeria they used to use pesto and mortar to do it in a normal native way, but here there is no pesto and there is no mortar, not the mortar from the country. Although I like the smell so far, it smells good. Okay, I think it's okay. And the oil is heated enough, as you can see. So now we'll try to put in the beans, everything to the heat, and if you like, you can also use your hand to shape inside. Okay, now I want to try to use my hand, because the shape that it came out with, I didn't like it. And as you can see, I changed from frying pan to pot, because the frying pan is, I don't know, it's too hard. The heat is not penetrating the frying pan, so this one will be much better for me. I think this is aluminum, or yeah, it's much better for me. So I will try and use my hand at this texture is like that. So guys, this is what the outcome looks like. I do this one, I made a lot of mistake, but this is my first time, so this is how it looks like. And I added a lot of water. That is the reason why it's like it did not run. So maybe tomorrow I will try a new one. And yeah, this is good. You can use it to drink your Akara.